Welcome to the first in a series of 4 videos designed to support you and your child in getting the most out of Atom Nucleus. This is your parent portal, the page that you'll access each time you log into Atom. It's where you'll track your child's progress, but we'll go into more detail on how you can do this in your 4th video. Today I'll be walking you through 4 key learning features: the main course area, custom practice activities, unlimited mock tests, and our live lessons, all of which can be accessed through your child's learning portal. To access your child's learning portal, click on their name and avatar at the top of the page, and then click on Login. The area your child should be using the most is the main course area. This is where your child will access their optimal learning journey in each subject area. This learning journey uses our algorithm in order to stretch and challenge your child in the areas of the curriculum where they're really excelling, but will then support them in those areas that they find more difficult. Your child can access tens of thousands of fully adaptive questions, videos, and help sheets, all of which are designed to build your child's mastery in each area of the curriculum, and every question type they could see in an entrance examination. As your child moves forward through their tailored learning pathway, they will unlock new islands and new learning worlds in order to keep them stretched and engaged. However, our algorithm will ensure that they won't progress forward until they've demonstrated sufficient mastery. When you identify an area of the curriculum that your child needs to revise, we'd recommend setting custom practice activities. Here, you can focus on an area of the curriculum by filtering by topic, subtopic, and sub-subtopic. Here, your child can practice the most challenging areas of the curriculum. Next, your child can access unlimited mock test in our mock test section. Here, your child can complete unlimited mock tests that mirror tests in terms of content, design, and scoring. You'll find all major grammar school and independent examinations on our mock test section, and after each completed mock test, your child will be able to access a transcript that shows them where they excelled and where they need to revise further. Finally, we have our live lessons page. Here, your child can register to attend our live lessons that are hosted by our fantastic in-house teachers. These lessons cover the most challenging areas of the curriculum and question types that are covered in entrance examinations. If you can't attend a lesson live, head to our lesson library, where you'll access hundreds of recordings that cover the breadth and depth of the content on Atom. This is the first in a series of 4 videos. If you'd like to get a head start on the next video, click on the link below.